Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at a secret code to call everyone without showing your phone number. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how to make calls without showing your outgoing caller ID. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your dialer or your phone. Now once you open your dialer or your phone, all you need to do is to dial this code *31#. Now once you dial this code, then you have to send it, and now you can see outgoing caller ID service was enabled. Now with this, you can call everyone without showing your caller ID, your outgoing caller ID. So this is very simple. With this, you can call everyone without showing your personal contact. Now in case if you want to change your mind, all you need to do is to just open your dialer once again and then dial #31#. Now once you have dialed this number, then you send it to you send it, and you can see over here outgoing caller ID service has been disabled. Now with this, your number or your outgoing caller ID will show to people that you call. This is very simple. So with this trick or with this secret code, you can call everyone without showing your outgoing caller ID or your personal contact, or you can also choose to cancel it anytime you want. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new